Time will tell if it's too much. Maybe, probably, definitely. And out a bit of carrot juice. Today we are making a carrot and walnut cake. I am super excited about my carrot and walnut cake. I've got 2 bags of carrots. We're going to do some ingredient prepping before we get onto the baking. I love carrot cake. I love carrots, so we are going to do a lot of carrots. So we've got 4 carrots and then another 4 carrots. We have 8 carrots total that we're going to use. So let me wash these carrots. I went into Sainsbury's and I picked up the biggest carrots I could find, but then because I thought the carrots wouldn't be enough, I went to Co-op and got a bag with more carrots. First things first, prep the carrots. Now, after what has actually felt like an eternity, I finished peeling all of my carrots, and now we're gonna grate them. Let me just eat that. Once you get to about this much of your carrot, just eat it. You don't need to grate until your fingers get caught. No, look at this mess. Got 100 grams of walnut, and I'm gonna do a rough chop. So also gonna do a taste test. Walnuts are good. I do wish I had more walnuts. Okay, walnuts done, and then now we're going to prep our dry ingredients. Wow. So for dry ingredients, 2 cups of self-raising flour, half a teaspoon salt, and you know what, just like an extra pinch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I have the tiniest bit of bicarbonate of soda. See how much is in here? Like not even an 1/8 of a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of bicarbonate, teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Oh, that smells so good. 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and then a teaspoon of ground sweet cinnamon. Oh, this smells so good. Like all the spices have come together. Oh shit, I forgot to preheat my oven. Mix everything together. Last year when I was first making carrot cake, I did it very bog standard, just carrot and walnuts. But then I watched Claire Safinaz, and she was putting in all these extra spices into her carrot cake, and I just thought that is so genius, and I think that really did take my carrot cake to a new level. It smells so good. Half a cup of caster sugar. So I've done like half a cup to 3/4 of a cup of soft sugar. Nice and mixed. 1 cup of vegetable oil. Scrape the bowl. Oh, that is so good. 3 large eggs. Battery is about to run low. Whisk. Ah! Jesus. That was sad. That's weird. The last egg. Jesus. Look at that. Nice, nice, nice. What I've learned is you want to do wet, dry, so that you're ending on dry. Can't lie, I'm a bit nervous about the carrots because there's a lot of carrot juice in here. I probably could have drained out a bit of carrot juice, but hopefully, hopefully that won't affect the bake. Look how much juice there is in that bowl. No, I think I mixed too many carrots. Oh god, I'm scared about this. And I'm gonna do half of my flour mixture. Mix this slowly. I'm gonna take my second bowl. I don't think I've ever put in this much carrot. This is a lot of carrot. Look at how much water is in the bowl. Just gonna mix. Whoa. Okay, this bowl is... I may have overdone it with the carrot. The rest of my flour. Yeah, I definitely should have even dried out some of the carrots. I think the excess water is what is making this bowl like this. Clean the side of my bowl. My battery is low, so you know. Just in case my camera ends up cutting out, I'm going to quickly add in my walnuts. I've had to move over to my phone because my camera just died. I don't think I have enough walnuts. But you know, we have a shit ton of carrots, so maybe that will have to be fine. Hopefully this will bake well. Got my 2 tins that I've lined with baking paper, and now I'm going to pour in our cake mix. Oh God, I am scared. I'm very scared, but here goes. This smells so good. I hope this tastes as good as it smells. This mixture is very watery, so I'm a bit concerned. Oh God, I just need to trust the process, and hopefully the process knows that I am trusting it. I overdid it with the carrots, but no, let me think about good things. This recipe is going to come out amazing. It's going to taste so good. There is so much carrot in this. This is honestly going to be like my dream carrot cake. All of my hard work grating carrots, you best believe I'm going to get every last single bit of carrot from this bowl. Smooth this out, make sure it's kind of even. It's very liquidy, but I'm hoping that everything will come together. Some bake. Bye bye. Listen, Kim's gonna shout out. Oh shit, my camera's not been even on my thing at all. Anyway, frosting is complete. Let's start to build our cake. I'm not optimistic about this cake at all. This will be one of those videos that you were talking about. Huh? This is one of those videos that you were talking about. A cake fail. Oh shit, this thing's still very hot.
Invested in power, I am sure you can.
Yeah. It's an absolute fail. I am not optimistic at all, but here we go. Oh God. I am really not optimistic about this cake at all. Yesterday it went completely wrong. It's so flat. It was wet in the middle for so long. I don't think this is going to be good, but I'm going to cut through it anyway. I ran out of cream as well, so... Oh. Okay. Oh, just what I thought. No. Okay, well this is definitely a fail. You can see it's all wet inside. Look at that. It like didn't bake. This is what I said. Okay. The buttercream is nice though. But the cake is... Oh. Okay. The cake didn't even... It's just what? I'm going to say I put too many carrots in. But all things considered, it doesn't taste that bad. Okay. It kind of tastes like a fruitcake. You know how fruitcakes are kind of jelly-like inside? That's what this tastes like. Very jelly-like. But it tastes good, the flavours are there. Like, it's nice. And I love that the walnuts give it a bit of bite. Okay, well. Like I always say, as long as the flavour's there, I'm okay. So I think the only solution is just to make this again, but this time with less carrots. Nice, and it feels very lightweight kind of. This is a tasty cake. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. And the next time I make a carrot cake, it's going to be a million times better than this because I know how to make a carrot cake. And carrot cake is one of my best cakes. I make them all the time. So the way this has come out like this, I don't know. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.